Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Mermaid Fish Attractor in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your backpack and then you're going to select the Mermaid Fish Attractor, and basically you can use it to attract the fish to the area for 1 minute, and it's up to 3 fish at a time. And before I show you how we can use this item, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this mermaid fish attractor. For me, I obtained this item from a quest. The quest is from Fanya. And you can also buy this mermaid fish attractor from the fishing store. You can go to the Winter Utopia in Midfa, and then you'll be able to buy this item. Alright, just open up your backpack to use this item guys. Click on use, and it's only available in the water. And once you click on use, the fish will come to the attractor, and then it will make you easier in catching the fish. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the mermaid fish attractor in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.